Case name Shashi Kiran, age is 43 years, and today date is 17th of June 2024, and complaint of soft voice, not able to talk in louder and deeper voice. I want speech sample before treatment. Say about yourself.
Hi, my name is Shashi Kiran. I am working as a sales manager. So I am able to speak like this, but I cannot raise my voice, and I feel my voice is not deep enough.
Post-therapy voice sample of Shashi Kiran, and today date is 24th of June 2024. And why you came here? How do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Yeah, I came here looking for a solution because I thought my voice was not loud enough and not deep enough. So I wanted, because I am in this sales profession, and I thought that a better voice will positively affect my career.
So have you compared on the first day and today your voice sample, and what changes you have observed?
I have observed some improvements in the pitch. I think my pitch has gone down. In terms of loudness, I see a marginal improvement.
Okay, fine. So tell your hobbies.
My hobbies are fitness, and I watch some sports and news. And I used to do yoga, but nowadays I have stopped it.
Can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his pre and post treatment voice, please write in the comment box. Share this video so that people having similar issues, they can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much.